Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews. Oh my gosh, my light is... Let's see if we can do it this way. How's that? Better? I'm still finagling my system here. But anyway, I know somebody's going to be bothered by the glare. I apologize. I'll try to hold it like this. It is so cold right here in Pennsylvania right now. It is like negative. Today was like a low record. Now the light's bothering me. So if you're new to my channel, this is Mommy Mailbox. If you're not new, then you probably remember this box from other unboxings. This is a monthly treat for Mom. So basically it is just a nice indulgence. It's $33.95. It does have a $55 to $85 value, retail value. It's curated by a different mom influencer or mompreneur each month, and they are themed. It's just really fun. So I'm excited. It's a nice little treat for yourself. It's really, I'm always like, ooh, it's Mommy Mailbox time. That's so exciting. And it just says, I think it says like indulge or something maybe. I thought it did, you know. All right. So as you can see, it's still sealed. I have not peeked at all. Yeah, I just went out to get my meal. I was out there maybe a minute tops, and I just feel so sorry for my meal people that they have to be out in this. Cold. So this is the December 2018 box. Ooh, that's too bright, huh? Let's pause and see if we can turn the light a little lower, right? I have my lights right here. Oh, this is so professional. How about that? Is that a little better maybe? But we'll just turn that light a little closer to us so it's a little brighter. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, but now you can see the actual box here. This is the Oh What Fun box, and this is featuring products from the amazing lifestyle brand Occasionally Made. Whether you are shopping for jewelry, handbags, tea towels, travel mugs, or anything, I actually have a lot of stuff from Occasionally Made, and they're really nice. Wish list from this site. So it's their wish list from it's not bright enough now, right? I mean, gosh. Oh, sorry. So anyway. But we didn't forget the necessities, fun seasonal lip balm, and of course chocolate. And then the back lists each of the items that are in here. So there is what it looks like. So, ooh, chocolate Christmas tree. So this is a milk chocolate tree. It looks like it's just chocolate, which is nice. I can break this off and give it to my kids. And it's super cute. And it brings back all those Christmas feels. All right, so next we have, you can kind of almost see in the box from this spot though, right? We just have to figure out these lights. I'm kind of stuck. I know I'm rambling now, right? I'm kind of stuck because the lights have to be away from me, but everywhere to sit is like along a wall. But the lights, I need to get like an extension cord. Can't reach the plugs. The cords just are just a little too short. So like the lights are a little too close, and I'm not in the, I gotta figure it out. All right, so next up we have, what is that? Oh, they're gloves. Look at how pretty those are. Looks like they're from a company called Fanfare. Oh, these are super cute. Oh, I love these. Fanfare, for fans who love fashion, smart touch gloves. Oh, look, and they've got little, look at the little finger pads. Aren't they cool? I like those a lot. Probably my favorite item in this box so far, even though I'm only 2 in. All right. So then we have from Occasionally Made. This is a really long, kind of beaded, very almost flapper-esque, I want to say, but also kind of bohemian, silver and gold beaded necklace. This does have like a circular, it's like a tassel, but not, you know what I mean? Like a not tassel. Very cool. All right, and so then we've got this Ad Astra Apothecary Peppermint Lip Balm. I'm not going to open this because I keep these, I don't open them, and then I keep them for when I need one because I have tons. But I like that it's in a black tube and this cool like red chevron type pattern. All right, so finally, I believe this is a finally. Yeah. This is also from Occasionally Made. What is it? Is it a bag or is it a it is, it's a handbag, I think. A clutch, I think. Yeah, that's kind of cool. so it's got like a faux suede inside of it, and then this is like this really soft kind of pleather material. Ooh, I like the color too. It's like very like chrome, but very current. Ooh, so I love all, this is like a very stylish, I want to say this is a more stylish box than we received recently with them. So in this box for $33.95, you receive this little handbag. So here is the handle. Once the tag's off, it'll clip, it just like magnetizes. So there's that. Like, that's cute. I love that. It's cool too. You can just hold it like that. All right, so there's that. The gloves, which are very cool. My cat is down there. We gotta figure out a way to do that too, because I'm up high at my bar. And then the necklace, which matches the bag, which I think is really cool, and the lip balm and the chocolate. So I will link down below to my full review. You can check that out if you'd like. You can also check out Mommy Mailbox down below with my affiliate link. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.